My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. Welcome. So today's video is going to be an Ipsy Ultimate versus an Ipsy Plus unboxing. So the Ipsy Ultimate is something that they've came out with recently. I believe this is the second month that it has come out, and when I first saw that there was an Ipsy Ultimate, I just immediately signed up for it. I didn't even, check out any unboxings or anything, and not until after I ordered it did I check out the unboxings, and I was like, oh, maybe I made a mistake. So I immediately canceled it after this one box, because from what I saw, it would be better to just buy like 2 of the Ipsy Pluses and you probably get better stuff. But I don't know, it could be different this month. So the Ipsy Ultimate is $50 and then the Ipsy Plus is $25. So we're gonna see if the Ipsy Ultimate is really, a better deal than the Plus, or if it's worth your money or not. So yeah, and if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I was literally just complaining yesterday about how I never get my box early, and then I got it kind of early. I'm super stoked. I'm gonna open the Ipsy Ultimate. No, the Ipsy Plus first, I'm sorry. Okay, so the first product is this Juicy Punk Volumizer Mascara in black. And the retail value is $24. I have so many mascaras right now. This might be going in a giveaway. Ooh, I like that brush though. It's a really nice brush. I don't know, we'll have to see. Okay, so the next product I'm not that happy about. It is the Ciate London Dewy Sticks in Glow. So this is the clear highlighter. Like, I don't understand the purpose of that. But I mean, I guess if you're going for like a natural glow, then this would probably be for you, but for me it's not. Okay, the next product, ooh, I'm excited about this, is this Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. The Ultimate Time Saver Hydra Veil is both a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and smoothing your skin in one simple step. The futuristic clear gel formula absorbs quickly, so it's the perfect step before foundation application. So the value is $45. Okay, you get 1 ounce. I do like the packaging. It's like very sleek. And oh my gosh, how cool is that? It gives you a little like spoon thing, I think, but does it come off? I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. How do I open it? Oh my goodness! It looks like Jell-O! It legit looks like Jell-O. And feels like Jell-O. It does feel very hydrating though, like they weren't kidding when they said it was, ooh, it actually is very smooth, like once you start to blend it out. Ooh, that feels really good. I don't know if I said it, yeah I did say the retails for $45. Okay, that feels very nice actually. I'm excited to try that. Alright, so the next product is this GG Gorgeous Less is More lip gloss in Get Into It. This retails for $16. This shimmery sheer pink gloss contains nourishing vitamin E to help lips feel hydrated all day. Okay. I definitely like the color from just looking at it. Ooh, I'm really gonna like that. Kind of like a pink lemonade color. Yes. Ooh, I'm really gonna like that. Okay, so the last product is, ooh, this Murad Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. Okay, this retails for $22 and you get 0.5 ounces. So it says reduces blemish size and redness within 4 hours. Okay, wow. I actually got a sample of this like a long time ago and I remember it worked really well. So I'm really excited to get this because I've actually needed like a new acne like spot treatment. Ooh. And I definitely think Murad has like quality skincare products. Okay, I'm not mad at that at all. Alright, so I'm not like too thrilled about the mascara or the dewy stick, but everything else I am really excited about. Let me see what the, oh my gosh, I almost forgot. And there's this cute bag. Oh my god, how adorable. Oh, and fringe, leopard and fringe, like two of my favorite things in the world. It doesn't get much better than that. Like if you couldn't tell, look at leopard, fringe, yes. So yeah, let me calculate the retail value for my Ipsy Plus. So the retail value for my Ipsy Plus is $133. Not shabby at all for when you pay $25. Not at all. I'm kind of scared to open up the Ultimate, you guys. I'm afraid it's like really gonna suck. So it says Wild Side. Okay. Oh, well the first thing that's in here is, oh wow, it's a, oh my goodness. It's a really big leopard case. Ooh! Oh my gosh, I live for this. Yes! Oh my gosh, how freaking adorable is that? Oh, I love that so much. Okay, so the first product is, okay, this It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. This game-changing cleanser serum hybrid is great for all skin, including Ipsters with sensitive skin. I have actually tried this before and I really liked it. So I am super excited to get this. I thought it did a great job of cleansing your skin while moisturizing it at the same time. I really like this. I don't like that they don't include the prices in this packet thing. Alright, the next product, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. Okay, it's this Context Skin Matte Lipstick in Sweet Emotion. So, this brownish nude matte lipstick. I'm not the biggest fan of brownish nudes, so yeah. That will be going in a giveaway, so I don't want to swatch it. And once again, I don't know how much that is. Okay, the next product is this Kismet Sugar Lip Scrub in Bright and Bubbly. Okay. I love using lip scrub, so I'm always down to try a new lip scrub. It smells good. It says it has shea butter, vitamin C, raw sugar, vitamin C. Okay. I've never heard of Kismet before, but I'm excited to try the slip scrub. Alright, the next product is, ooh, Bite Your Kiss. It's this Smith & Cult, ooh, Nail the Core and Bite Your Kiss. Ooh, I've always wanted to try one of these nail polishes, but I have never gotten one to try. And this is a really pretty color, especially for fall. Ooh, I'm really excited to try this. I need to find out like prices. So it's okay, it looks like the nail polish is $18. And let me do the, so the It Confidence in a Cleanser is $28. Okay, anyways, let me move on. Alright, the next product is this Gigi Gorgeous, the only blush duo in Authentic and Prime. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist, Gigi Gorgeous, collection of essentials to get you glowing on your terms. This versatile peachy pink blush duo delivers a subtle wash of color that builds beautifully. Okay, so here is what it looks like. Ooh, that is pretty. One is like a light pink shimmer, and then this one's like a peachy, like orange coral. Ooh, those are definitely pretty and definitely colors that I would use. Ooh. Okay, the next product is this Wander Beauty Wanderous Rush eyeshadow palette. Okay, so it has 6 buttery shades. It says it'll be your new go-to. From a champagne shimmer shade to a sparkly cranberry and matte dusty rose shadow, there's no shortage of stunning colors to pick from. So here's what it looks like. Oops. Okay, so that's pretty. That gold looks pretty. Ooh. So next I have this, ooh, where did it go? Bugatti, I don't think I'm saying that right, concealer brush. Okay. I would use that for concealer, or also a lid shade. This would be good for a lid shade since it's a flat synthetic brush. Alright. So then next I have this Youth to the People Superfood Air Whipped Moisture Cream. So I'm pretty sure I got this like in my Ipsy last month. So I'm thinking maybe they just had extra and they're like, oh, let's throw it in the ultimate box so we can make it better. I'll put that in the giveaway. There's one in my current giveaway as well. Okay, so next we have this $1 Billion Brows Bestsellers Kit. Okay. Shape, define, highlight, and blend. This kit is your one-stop brow shop. With a self-sharpening and universally shaded pencil, double-ended highlight concealer duo, and clear gel, you'll be able to achieve the arches of your dream anywhere, anytime. Okay, so this has like a universal brow pencil, like similar to the It Cosmetics. Okay. I definitely think that that could work. Yeah. And then, let me see what else. So this is the Clear Brow Gel Smudge Brush. Blends the brow duo pencil to perfection. Huh? Okay, if you say so. I might use that to like define it or to blend out the concealer. So here's the concealer and highlight. Let's see how the concealer does. Alright, I'm actually not mad at that. Alright, I'm actually kind of excited about this. Then I have this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Huh. So it says, reduce the appearance of wrinkles with this ultra light gel serum. Power packed with an optimum dose of our proprietary blend of fruit stem cells infused into a vitamin C reservative rich grapeseed formula to help boost and enhance tone and texture. Okay, I do like Juice Beauty products, and I know like they're not cheap, so I'm wondering how much it is. Okay, so I'm gonna need to write this down. The best-selling brows kit is $42. Wander Beauty Palette is $25. The lip scrub is $12. The Juice Beauty Serum is $80. The concealer brush is $12. Oh, I haven't gotten to those yet. Okay, so next I have this Tracy Color and Contour Bronzer Stick in Brazilian Bronze. So this, I don't know how much this retails for. Hold on, I would have to go back. But this double-ended bronzer and contour stick from Tracy deserves a permanent spot in your makeup bag. Use the creamy bronze color. It's infused with hydrating coconut oil to impart an all-over sun-kissed glow or contour your cheekbones, and use the built-in brush to blend out your look. Okay, so it says it's double-ended, so here's one side. And then, and then I guess the other side is the brush. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm usually not the biggest fan of like contouring, but I actually might try with this. You never know, there could be a contourer inside of me after all. Okay, so the bronzer stick retails for $28. And the last product is this beaten up Benefit Cosmetics High Beam Liquid Highlighter. This best-selling liquid highlighter is highly acclaimed for good reason. The subtle, shimmerless glow with a hint of pearly pink will light up your look in an instant. And there's no fading here. The long-lasting formula takes your dewy glow from day to night. So I've actually had this before and really liked it. This was like one of the first things I started mixing in with my foundation to kind of give it a more dewy appearance. And yeah, I think it's a really pretty pinkish, but it's not like really blinding. I don't know, you can see it's just a very pretty like glow. So that retails for $28 as well. So the retail value for the Ipsy Ultimate is $285. Maybe I shouldn't have canceled it. Like, that's not, for $50, that's amazing. And so the Ipsy Plus was $25 and the retail value was $133. So the Ipsy Ultimate was more than double the retail value of the Ipsy Plus. So I guess at least this month you definitely got your money's worth for the Ipsy Ultimate. I don't know if it's going to be like this every month. I don't know if I'm going to resubscribe or not to the Ultimate. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Do you think it'd be better to order like 2 Ipsy Pluses or to like stay with the Ultimate? I don't know, but I got a lot of really good products. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.